at the beginning of this video, let me show you something interesting. So in the last video, we implement the logic that the king cannot move to a location under attacking, right? So let's show it. So let's go here, and this one, okay. So let's move the king out. So now this guy go to here, so the king cannot move to here, right? Because it is under threatening of the knight, the black knight. So let's try it. Yeah, it works, right? The logic, it works. Okay, now let me show you something interesting. So same thing here, but this time let's do this guy. Okay, so now move out this guy and go here, but the king can move to here. Do you know why? That's because I mixed, right, by accident, wrongly. For the other pieces can move from a location to the destination is same as can attack, but for the pawn it's different. The pawn can move to here, but it can attack there, right, and there. So we need to differentiate those two scenarios. So go ahead to create a scenario test case for this one, and so we can make a okay. So let's make a copy of that and add one here. Test the king threatened by pawn. Okay, test king threatened by pawn. Okay, put it here. Initial, okay, VAR. So this is our initial board. Okay, now let's make our this one 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, 5 moves. The last one is invalid, illegal. So the first one, move from this guy. Oh, we can, yeah, let's do it like that. Why not? So the first one is this guy goes to here. So it's from 4-6 to 4-4. 4-6 to 4-4. Okay, copy. The next step is Braxton. So this guy goes to here. So it's 5-1 to 5-3. 5-3. Now next one. Next one is the king. Move out. Step by step. King is old. So 4-7 to 4-6. 4-7 to 4-6. Okay, next one. The enemy pawns. The enemy pawn goes ahead like that. Okay, so here I missed a dot. Yeah, here the dot. Yeah. Okay. Oh, wow. We start from the beginning. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, let me search this. Command E, Command G. There's a lot. Oh, find here, maybe replace. Yes, we can do that. Replace that with okay, with is here. With that, right? So replace all. Okay, now let's search again. Command G. Okay, now it's fine. Let's go back to our business. So here is this one. After we move the king, it okay, this guy moves one step. Okay, so it's 5 3 to 5 4. 5 3 to 5 4. 5 3 to 5 4. Now this is the last one. Okay, now we can do the XCT assert. XCT assert, right? True. No, SCT assert force. SCT assert force. Yeah. Game dot can move king or can move piece. Can move piece from for the king, right? 4 6 to 4 5. 4 can move piece. 4 6 to 4 5 is white. Yes. Now let's test it. Command U. It should fail, right? Because we haven't had we haven't had the logic yet. Now let's go back to our game engine, chess engine, to rename, to separate the can move and can attack for our pawn. Okay, because they are different. It's not like other pieces. So where is our can move pawn? Is here, and we need another one. Can move pawn from that, right? Can pawn move. Okay, let's rename this to can pawn move from 2. So command click, rename can pawn move. Okay, and command U to oh, it failed here, so that's comment out the code here, because we don't want to, after we implement that, right, we can come back. Okay, so command U again. Nice. So let's go back to here, can pawn move, and we need another one like function can pawn attack, right? They are different. Attack, can pawn attack from 2. Yeah, copy that. So copy and paste. Return false to silence the compiler. So what is the logic here? Actually, the logic was already included in this line, right? So if the target is not empty, so we can attack that our pawn. So we can copy that and put it here. Of course, it will break the compiler. So we need moving pawn here. So I think we can get this and put it here. Now does it compile? Yes. Of course, we don't want to duplicate the code here. So can we return canPawnAttach here? Let's comment out this line and return, right? canPawnAttach from column, from row to column and to row. Command U again. Yeah, everything's fine, so we can delete that line. Oh, it's hard for me to triple click using touchpad. Okay, now we can use this function to answer canKing move, right? And we'll use canKing move, but I think the old name is canMoveKing. canMoveKing here. Let's rename it. Right click, refactor O, or command click, rename canKing move from, right? canKing move from. So can castle is not under thread at that. Okay, so this one under thread at, let's keep it simple for now. So and not canPawnAttach from column and from row and to column and to row. Okay, so let's see. Command U, test to succeed. Now we can go back to get out our king test, right? This guy, it failed before, but what about now? Command U. Oh, it still failed. Can move piece. Okay, let's see why it failed. Can move piece. Can move piece. So if it's king, can king move? God. canPawnAttach. Before we fix this bug, it's a good idea to test this, right? Function in our test case. So let's go back to queen. Do we have pawn? Yeah, pawn tests. So let's create one for our can. Let's create a new one to test. Test canPawnAttach, right? So it's easy. We can just, do we have, yeah, okay, so let's make a copy of this one. Oh, like that. Okay, so let's create a new game equals chess game. chess game. Oh, chess engine. Okay, and game dot initialize game, and let's put it back here. So so for this piece, right? For this piece, it can attack the. Let's use this one. Let's use this one. It can attack this guy, right? This location. So we can xct assert true. Can game.canPawnAttach from 06 to 15, right? 15, and save and run it. Oh, this one works. Okay, let's add another one. Like this one. Okay. Oh, okay, so let's use this one this time. So this one, let's check the same piece first. So fourth, it cannot attack this one. So 05, it cannot attack 05, right? Run it again. Okay, now let's check this guy. Make a copy of that. So this is from 7-1, right? 7-1. It can attack 6-2. 6-2. And it cannot act at 7-1. It cannot attack 7-2. 7-2. Yeah, now we get, right, collect some confidence for this function. Let's review the code in our chess engine. So here, wrong place. So because this will check, this move is from king, is for the king, right? And it's not for the pawn. So I think this is wrong place. Let's cut. Put it back to maybe here. Under thread add. Okay, let's go there. Command click. Jump to definition. So under thread, if piece in that, okay, can move non-king piece. So we'll rename this later. So if that, or, right, or can pawn attack. Yeah, or can pawn attack. So here is, yeah, piece dot colon, right? Piece dot call. Oh, okay. So here is piece dot row. Yeah, 2 colon. No, we don't have 2 here. So is that right? So can move like a non-king piece from there, and can pawn attack. Okay. Oh, we need, yeah, we need to exclude the we need to exclude the pawn from there. So yeah, that's another issue. we have to, because the pawn cannot attack where it can move if there is empty there. So it's like, right? So then it means the pawn can move to here, but it cannot attack that. So we have to exclude the pawn from this method. But let's do that later. Command U again. Yes, it works. So we get this passed. Okay, cool.